Hello friends, welcome back. So we now see that our AMI has come up. It is available for creating instance from this AMI. So we can launch instances from our just created AMI, that is Jenkins slave. And here now for able to connect to AWS Amazon Web Services Cloud from Jenkins Operation Center, what you have to do is go to manage Jenkins and manage plugin. So we have to install a plugin called the Jenkins EC2 plugin, and let's see if that is installed. So EC2, no, it is not installed yet. So let's go and see EC2 is available here. Yes, it is available for installation. So just go ahead and install it, and so it is Amazon EC2 plugin. This is now it is getting preparation and it's pending. Now it is success. So now this is installed. Manage plugin. Let's check it if it's installed. AWS EC2 plugin. Just it is installed. Just select it. Now this will be okay. It is asking restart once jobs are running. Okay, just click it. So now it is reinstalling my Jenkins Operation Center for the changes to be taken effect, and I'm changing. So with that, let's go ahead and see our EC2 and running instances. Now nothing is running. We have just okay, previously we have just created this instance, so and I have already created an AMI from that instance, so I don't need any more the instance. If you see, it's just stopped. What I'm going to do is I can just go ahead and terminate this instance. Actually, I don't need it. Just terminate so that we don't continue to use resources. We are obviously we're not running it, but we have just grabbed some 8 gig of storage for holding this instance. So I'm going to delete it now, so I can free some of my storage resources. Okay, so here it is up. Our operation center is up. Now go there and check. It should be configured. Now go to the new item, and in the new item you see there is here AWS EC2 cloud configuration. Just click here and I can call it my AWS cloud. Okay, just check it, select this name item and select AWS EC2 cloud configuration and click OK. Now here to continue to use, you have to give some information about your EC2 environment. So here you must have the EC2 credentials to go and add all your credentials. So there will be something here. Go to add to Jenkins your credentials, and here global credentials and kind username with password. But here what I'm going to do is select AWS credentials. With this, you will have access ID, and you will have the secret access key. You will have ID, your login ID, and description. Obviously, you can give whatever you want, and then you can click add. Well, I'm not going to show my access ID and the access key. Where you can find is, I'll just tell you where to find this access key while creating your actually the login. You should have already received your access ID and secret access key either from your administrator who created your user ID, or if you are your administrator while creating your login, you should have already received it. If you have not, again you can create one of those and go to identity and access management here, and you can find a number of users. And once you go to the user, actually it will you can see the details of, I'm not going to show those to the video here, so for my security obviously. So uh, well, I'm going to pause this video and I'll try to set up all this. I'll try to save it. Once I add all this with the AWS credential, I'll add the access. I'll add it first, then I'll let's go from there. I'll just pause my video here. Okay. Hello friends, welcome back again after I have added my credentials here. Now go to the description. I can say my AWS cloud, and the name, you can give any name you want. I'll give okay, AWS. I'll give AWS cloud, AWS cloud. Okay, and here a region, there are obviously different regions in the AWS, and I'm going to select US West 2, and here I have to give the key pair by which the EC2 instance can be accessed. So I have downloaded that. Obviously when you create your instance, you should have this PEM file. So this is my PEM file, and go to the first, open this with a text notepad maybe. So in that you will have the complete key. Just copy it. Okay, you can just copy the whole thing and you can paste it here. Okay, and now you can see, now test the connection if it is connecting. Testing. Now with this we can find whether my configurations, yes, it is success. That means I'm able to, my Jenkins Operations Center is able to connect to my AWS management console or dashboard. Now AMI. So now go and add it first. The description, I'll call it my slave image, and AMI ID. So here, what is your AMI ID? Go to the EC2 and go to AMI, and here you will find the AMI ID. Just copy that. Okay, just copy this ID, Control C, and you can just AMI ID, copy it here. And what should be your instance type? I'm going to choose the free instance type here, T2 micro. So this is T2 micro, and other things I'm not much bothered actually. I just check the AMI if it is available or not. Just check the AMI. It is checking. Yes, it could find the AMI. And availability zone, you can leave it blank so that it will be true. AMI type is Unix obviously, and root command prefix, you want to give something, it's up to you, but I can give sudo remote SSH port. Obviously it's 22 by default. You can leave it, utilize as much as possible, and other things you can just leave it and click apply, save. Now I have my AWS cloud configured. With this, you can, once you go to see here, you have your master, build master, and you have your AWS cloud configured for your operation center. With this, I showed you just how to communicate to AWS cloud, and we see in the next video for running a build job with the AWS cloud slaves. Okay, thank you for watching.